Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to insert an SD card into your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. To do this you will need a SIM ejector tool or another thin and pointed object, for example a paper clip or pin, but be careful to not damage your phone. Then locate the SIM card tray on the top of your phone and a small hole in this tray, and insert the tool in this hole and gently press, and then you can easily pull out the tray and flip it over, and you see the designated spot for your SD card. Put the card here following the shape of the spot, then flip over again and insert the tray back. Well, that's it. Now you can power on your phone and make sure you did everything correct. Go to Settings and scroll down to this menu, Battery and Device Care. Tap here and tap on Storage, and you see two dots here. It means you can swipe left and make sure your SD card is in use. By the way, you don't have to power off your phone when inserting the SD card, but I strongly recommend you to power off your phone when you're ejecting it. That's it for today. I hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.